y'all, I've already started the day. So right now I'm on my way to Lawson just to grab me like a little snack, probably some coffee or something, because we're gonna start with Osaka and then work our way back to Kobe. So only things I really want to see is the Osaka Castle, the little mini city thing I was telling y'all about, and then whatever else is just in the area. Get something to eat, come on back, because AJ's game isn't till later. So let's get something to eat. The station. We are taking one more train and then we'll have to walk 20 minutes to Osaka Castle. I've made it to Osaka, so instead of walking the 20 minutes to the castle, I'm just gonna go ahead on and get an Uber, because remember, I'm only here for a certain time because AJ's game is tonight. So I only have 4 hours to do what I want to do, because again, we're coming back tomorrow and we'll do some other stuff, but I'm trying to see how much can I squeeze in 4 hours. So I imagine we're going to do a lot of either public transportation or Ubers or taxis. So let's go to Osaka Castle. Now leaving Osaka Castle. I'm gonna see if I can get something to eat. I did plan to like sit down and eat, but I think I'll probably just get something like grab and go, because right now it's 1:53 and we still have other stuff to go see. Yeah, I know I'm a little rapper sometimes. Absolutely mind-blowing. Like, I really felt like I was back in Shogun. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Shogun right now, which I'll probably watch again when I get back to the apartment. But y'all, this is mind-blowing. Like, this is supposed to be modern Osaka. So right now we are at the train station, about to get on the second train so I can get something to eat. We're gonna go to Westwood Bakers if they're open. It looks like they have really good pancakes, but I think I'm gonna take the train and then take an Uber to the place, because it's a 10-minute walk. Instead of going to the place I originally wanted to go to, because they closed at 4:30, right now it's 3:50, and it was going to take me 12 minutes to get there. And I was having a hard time trying to pinpoint a location where the Uber could pick me up. So instead, we're just going to go get Wendy's, because why not? Why not go get Wendy's? And I just want something quick, because I do want to catch a train soon to head back to Kobe, because again, got to go to a basketball game tonight. Even though AJ will not be playing in the last game, he did get hurt with his finger, but he'll be okay. But we're still going to support our Revs. It's the last game of the regular season, but they did make playoffs. So So there will be another game in 2 weeks. But right now, we're going to Wendy's and get us something to eat because I'm starting to get a little hungry. Make sure y'all be cleaning y'all hands when y'all be out eating or y'all be out walking around. But for my drink, I got a 7-Up. Oh, I needed a soda. Oh, I'm gonna need a water after this though. For fries, I have I think it's like butter, something butter, salt, something on it. But it has like little butter shakes on it. I should have got regular. It's not nasty, but it's too much butter, like the taste of butter. And a spicy chicken sandwich. This here is good. This is really good. I'm glad I got it. I'm on my way to the game now. I had to take me like a little 20-minute break, so I just like laid down and just stared at the ceiling and stared outside and just like watched the trains and stuff go by. I just needed like a little break, but I am on my way. My feet hurt. I did a lot of walking today, but overall glad I finally got to see Osaka Castle and live out my Shogun dreams. And I saw the museum, the one that was like lifelike. I really enjoyed that. That was on my list. So glad I got to see those. But we're going back to Osaka tomorrow. So that's I told y'all I was just like in here chilling after I got back from Osaka. I was laying literally like this. And then there was a moment I was just like looking out here at the trains, just watching the trains go by. It was very soothing because I did a lot of walking today, but it was all worth it. All of it was worth it. But your favorite club president is going to be signing out. So don't forget to join the club. You will love it over here. And I will see y'all in my next video.